So the first step is going to be to create a folder for this class. I'm going to call that CMT 130. Inside CMT 130, you're going to create a folder for this week called Week 2. And then you're going to open up your text editor. For Macs, I gave you instructions on how to set your preferences up. You need to do that first. For Windows, Notepad should be ready to go. So now I have my text editor open, and I'm going to save the file as index.html, and I'm going to make sure I'm inside the Week 2 folder before I click Save. I'm going to click Save, and it asks me if I want to use the .html, so I'm going to click Yes to do so. Alright, so next step is to start writing HTML. First element is the HTML element. So I'm going to open the HTML element, and then I'm going to close the HTML element. It's always a good idea to put the close tag in when you put the opening tag in, so you do not forget it. Inside the HTML element, I'm going to add a head element. Inside the head goes the title. Remember, this appears at the top of the browser window, not on the page itself. And you can name your title essentially whatever you want. I'll say about Carrie. Alright, after the head element closes, I'm going to open up the body element. So opening body tag and closing body tag. Inside the body tag is all of the content that will appear in the browser window. So to start with, we're going to add a heading element in H1. And your heading element can be the same as your title or different. I will say the same, about Carrie. Underneath the heading element, or the heading 1 element, I'm going to add a subhead, or an H2. So, a little history. And below the H2, I'm going to add a paragraph that's going to explain what that title is all about. And you get the idea there. So let's add a second H2. Remember that H2 should start after the paragraph closes. And now. Here, another paragraph. And then I'm going to make DACC a link. So href. So A is the anchor tag. Href is an attribute that has the URL for the location. So http://dacc.nmsu.edu. Don't forget the close quotes, close caret, or close bracket, then the word that goes inside of it, or words, and then the close anchor tag. Alright, so now I have a link. So you guys are going to need to add one more link and one more H2 and paragraph, and then you need to save your document again. So after you've saved, you're going to open up a browser window. And then open that file. So file, open file is usually or something like that. So I'm going to go to that folder, click on index.html, and it's going to show the results there. When I click on DACC, it's going to complain to me because I have a typo in my URL. So I need to go back to the text editor and remove the extra T that's in HTTP and save again. And then I can switch back to the browser and click the reload button. And now when I click on the link, it should take me to DACC website. Okay, so once you're finished with assignment, you're going to upload it to Blackboard. So let me show you how to do that next. Alright, so now I'm in Blackboard on week 2 assignment page, and you guys have already looked at this, hopefully, or you're probably not seeing this video. And at the bottom of the instructions, there is a submission location. Here you can type whatever you want. My assignment is attached. Oh, good Lord. And then you click the Add Attachment button. It's going to open up this Get Files thing. You need to click on the My Computer button. And then you need to browse to your week 2 folder and just select the index.html folder or file and click open, and it will attach that to your assignment. You can add additional comments if you want, and then once you're happy, you just click the submit button. It'll ask you to confirm, you click OK, and your assignment has been submitted. If you have any questions, let me know.